This, I guess I was just making this quick little video because while I've been having fun visiting all the waterfalls and rivers and oceans, locals have been so busy because it's harvest season. They're harvesting banana and all the rice. Look at this. It's like the rice was all green before and the ends have all just gone yellow. So it's like quite a big process. So I'll try and document a bit of it and show you how they do it and the different parts. All right, let's see what we can find. That's dangerous. I'll follow you. Okay. Selamat Koya, selamat. Thank you Koya. Oh, selamat. Oh my god. It's not easy being a rice farmer. Just last week this rice was so green and so high. They only just cut, so I really don't know how this machine works, so let's have a look. Okay. I just want to take photos. Oh, wow. Okay, so you're seeing the mill before, the small mill, and then this is the large style. Wow. Oh, can you show me how it works, Koya?
Okay.
I would really like to know. So this mill, this rice is all finished.
Yes, this is already finished.
Oh my god.
This is rice. Ready to market.
Wow.
This is ready to market.
Wow, that's a big machine. Whoa, big process.
Yes.
So
this is the mechanical dryer.
Oh, so this,
if you want to dry,
this dry.
from press and then to dry. After you dry, we can mill.
So the rice comes in here dry.
Yes.
And then this takes off the husk.
Yes.
Wow. And then once it's ready to go anywhere in the world.
Anywhere in the world.
Maybe even back to Australia.
Someday we'll go to Australia.
Wow. Okay. Oh my god. I think this is so heavy.
It's only 50 kilos.
50 kilos.
Yes.
Oh, I'm not that strong. I won't try to lift.
Ah, you want to try?
Oh my god. Okay, I try. Can you hold this, Koya?
Yes, okay.
Oh, hang on. Okay. How much is that? 50?
50 kilos.
Too heavy for me. I'm not that strong. Ah, but I like to know because I see the man carrying on their head.
Yes.
Maybe when wet, heavier.
Where?
When they have it like still in the, when just cut, I think heavier because
heavy.
green.
Oh, green.
Ah,
But
okay.
not only a 50, it's only 70 to 80 kilos.
70, 80.
Yes.
Oh my God, that's too much.
Too much heavy.
Hello, hello. Oh. Actually, this is all the rice that they dry in the sun. So these rice farmers are actually like your natural weather gauge. Like if you see the rice getting covered up, you know it's gonna rain. Plus you got those clouds, I guess, but yeah, they're pretty good at predicting the rain actually. Sometimes I think, oh, it's not gonna rain, and then next minute, covering up the rice. Alright, let's have a look at this rice just before. What they use to cut the rice bags out with. Oh, machine. Hello. I was just looking at your tractor. Kumusta? I'm just taking some video of the rice field.
Okay, so this me for my friend.
Huh?
My friend. Yeah. Your husband.
I have girlfriend in Kateo.
Okay.
Yeah. What's your name, Kuya?
Danny.
Owen. Salamat, Danny. Nice to meet you.
Oh,
You been harvesting banana today?
yeah.
Over there.
This.
Ah, these ones. I'm just trying to show the people how hard the farmers work around here and
Yes.
harvesting the rice and make small documentary.
How pleased are you?
Huh?
How pleased for you?
I live in Kateo.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. Salamat.
My girlfriend, my husband, I mean Mrs. My girlfriend or my husband?
Girlfriend. Yeah. Husband is man and girlfriend woman. Like,
This beautiful hair.
yeah, very beautiful. Maganda. It's like Koya is boy, Auntie is girl.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh. Okay. Hello. Salamat.
Salamat.
Okay, amping.
Marunong ka na?
Hello, Koya.